आप सभी को बसंत पंचमी के पावन पर्व की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और माँ सरस्वती जो विद्या और ज्ञान की देवी हैं, उनके चरणों में हमारा कोटि कोटि नमन। माँ सरस्वती के चरणों में मैं एक वंदन, एक छोटी सी पूजा, एक छोटी सी प्रार्थना भेंट करना चाहती हूँ ताकि माँ सरस्वती हम सब पर अपना आशीर्वाद बनाए रखे। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की है देवी है संगीत तुझसे, तू स्वर की है देवी है संगीत तुझसे। हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे। तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी, मुनियों ने जानी, मुनियों ने समझी, मुनियों ने जानी। वेदों की भाषा पुराणों की बानी, वेदों की भाषा पुराणों की बानी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने। विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे। हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे। अज्ञानता के मिटा दो अंधेरे, अज्ञानता के मिटा दो अंधेरे। उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ, उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। जय माँ सरस्वती जी की। आज बसंत पंचमी के उत्सव पर मैं एक छोटी सी कहानी आप सबके सामने रखना चाहूंगी। ये कहानी है माँ सरस्वती के जन्म की कहानी और ये हमें बताती है कि किस प्रकार माँ सरस्वती के जन्म लेने के बाद पूरी सृष्टि में ज्ञान का संचार हुआ। पूरी सृष्टि में जो भी अशांति छाई हुई थी उसका अंत हो गया और चारों तरफ शांति का वास हो गया। आप सब यह कहानी समझ पाएं, इसीलिए मैं यह कहानी अंग्रेजी में आप सबके सामने पेश करना चाहूंगी। At the beginning of creation, there was chaos all over. Lord Brahma had created the entire universe and he was very happy that he had created it. But he did not know how to bring order. He sat down thinking how to deal with the problem. Suddenly, he heard a voice saying that the only solution to this problem was through knowledge. And only knowledge would be able to help him achieve order. So, Lord Brahma decided to take the help of knowledge to solve the problem. He opened his mouth, and from his mouth emerged the magnificent figure of Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati came out as the goddess for knowledge, the goddess for wisdom. She was dressed in white. She was riding on a swan. She had several hands. In one hand, she had books, and there was Veena also in her hand. Veena, which is a musical instrument. And then she helped Lord Brahma to create order in the universe and to stop the chaos which had been prevailing around. With the help of her knowledge of music, she played the veena, and through the soothing music, the commotion, the chaos which had spread throughout the universe began to settle down. Things began to become silenced, and order was created in the universe, and gradually the chaos gave way to the formation of sun, moon, the stars, and the different planets. The oceans got filled with water, and the seasons changed. Lord Brahma was filled with joy, and he named Saraswati goddess as Vagdevi. The meaning of Vagdevi is the goddess of speech and the goddess of sound. And in this way, Lord Brahma became the creator of the entire universe, and Goddess Saraswati became his source of knowledge and his source of wisdom. Now, I would also like to discuss little bit about how Basant Panchami is celebrated across different parts of India. So, in certain parts of India, like in West Bengal, in Assam, and other parts, Basant Panchami is celebrated by the name of Saraswati Puja. And on Saraswati Puja, it is believed that Goddess Durga gave birth to Goddess Saraswati on this day. And the celebration is carried out on the 5th day, that is the Panchami of the Magh month. And it is celebrated with great pomp and show in the parts of India such as West Bengal and Calcutta. And this ceremony is considered to be very auspicious to start new work, to perform the rituals such as housewarming ceremony, and also for starting the education of young kids. Yellow marks the importance of the color which is worn by Goddess Saraswati, and yellow sweets and yellow food is consumed on the day of Saraswati Puja. In North India, however, Saraswati Puja is celebrated by the name of Basant Panchami, and it marks the harvesting of the mustard crop, which is yellow in color. Yellow color, which is Goddess Saraswati's favorite color. Everyone dresses in beautiful yellow colored clothes, and in parts of North India like Punjab, Basant Panchami is celebrated with flying of kites. Sweet yellow colored rice is a mouth-watering dish which is prepared and consumed in Punjab, and other dishes include makke ki roti and sarson ka saag. So as you can see, Basant Panchami or Saraswati Puja holds a very important place in the hearts of every Indian. That is because Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge and the goddess of wisdom. And without her blessings, we cannot attain knowledge, we cannot attain wisdom, and therefore she holds a very, very special place in the hearts and minds of all of us. May Goddess Saraswati bless all of us, and may she help all of us attain knowledge and wisdom. Thank you. I hope you liked this story and you liked all the information that I shared about the festival of Saraswati Puja or Basant Panchami. This is all for today's episode of Story Nama, and keep watching the videos on my YouTube channel Story Nama, and do send in your comments how you like the story and what kind of